What's happening? This is Nathan.
This is Sean.
And this is NYAN.
And we're Fish.
No, really, we're Boyz II Men. And here are some ringtones for your cellular device of your choice. Ring, ring.
Now here's one for when you need to be a little more discreet.
Buzz, 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 this phone's on vibrate.
Apparently, this next one is a big hit with the kids.
Meow, 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 meow.
Don't make many calls? It's all gravy, baby. We got you covered.
Words.
You just got sent some words.
Picture message, maybe it'll be boobs. Don't open it in public. And finally, here's a few tones for those special someones in your electronic phone book. It's your mama. You should pick up. She pushed you out her lady parts. Pushed you out her lady parts, mama.
Hey, it's your weed guy.
Unless parents or cops are around.
And it's definitely not your weed guy.
But yeah, it's your weed guy.
Yeah, it's your weed guy.
Let it go. Let it go to voicemail. Seriously.
Let it go to voicemail. Finally, here's the list of names so you can personalize your voicemail with that B2M touch.
Yes.
Boyz II Men.
It's the same thing. They know what it is. Hey, Aaron, pick up your phone.
Hey, Abbott, pick up your phone.
Hey, Abdul, pick up your phone.
Hey, Abe, pick up your phone.
Hey,